To find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 minus 3i over 2 and 2 plus 3i over 2. These are complex roots. Let the quadratic equation be in x so that x is 2 minus 3i over 2, or x is 2 plus 3i over 2. Cross multiplying in both cases gives 2x to be equal to 2 minus 3i in the first instance, or 2x to be equal to 2 plus 3i from the second root. Transferring the terms on the right hand side to the left, we have 2x minus 2 plus 3i equals to 0, or 2x minus 2 minus 3i equals to 0. And when the two of them are equal to 0, we can combine them in a product to give 2x minus 2 plus 3i multiplying 2x minus 2 minus 3i equals to 0. We open up the bracket using every term in the first to multiply every term in the second, and that gives us 4x squared. That's 2x times 2x. Then 2x times negative 2 will be minus 4x. 2x times minus 3i gives minus 6xi. Using negative 2 from the first bracket, we'll multiply every term in the second bracket. We have minus 2 times 2x to give minus 4x. Minus 2 times minus 2 gives a positive 4. And minus 2 times minus 3i gives a positive 6i. And finally, using plus 3i to multiply every term in the second bracket, will give us plus 6xi. That's for 3i times 2x. Then 3i times negative 2 gives minus 6i. And 3i times negative 3i gives negative 9i squared. Everything is equal to 0. And from here we can see that negative 6xi and positive 6xi take themselves out. Positive 6i and negative 6i will equally take themselves out. We are therefore left with 4x squared. The negative 4x and another negative 4x give negative 8x. And we have plus 4 and minus 9i squared to be equal to 0. Recall that I squared is negative 1. Therefore, the equation becomes 4x squared minus 8x plus 4 minus 9 multiplying minus 1, and that's equal to 0. Finally, the required quadratic equation is 4x squared minus 8x, then plus 4 being added to minus 9 times minus 1 becomes plus 9, and that becomes plus 13 equals to 0 as the required quadratic equation. This is how to form quadratic equation from complex roots. Now find the quadratic equation given that its roots are 3 minus 5i and 3 plus 5i. Comment with your answer in the comment box. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can be updated on our tutorials. You can also browse through this channel for more of our tutorials, especially on quadratic equations. Thank you for watching the video, and bye.